Okay, today we're working at the McHenry Library. We're working on fusion, right? It's this notion of pasta, right? And what's interesting is we've actually created a cylinder can today with a lid to mimic our arts contest project, in which these beans are being inserted. Now notice how the shape of the ball is naturally blue, and then behind it we've actually included a fuse. Right, so it's this notion of a temper hill of beans. So we've transported the spheres, the orbs, into the can. They transform to these legumes or beans, many different varieties, and we could actually color them too accordingly. We don't just need red all the time for our Kong head. We can actually adjust that. And you can see how easy it is to do now with these new tools that this new learning technique on the tools that have already existed in the CAD program. So there we can see the head going into the can. So what's the story about this pasta fusion, right? Well, here's a fuse right here. Okay, you can see how it looks, and it goes to this notion of the H-bomb image, whereas this fuse, once lit, is pronounced uruki. U-R-I-K-I. So the R is a head and the K is a palm in hand, and that's included in this fused ancient infinity structure. And then once it's lit and part of it goes away, the word melt appears, uruki. And then once we're just down to this 2 appearing image and this other one here, which more or less looks like a 5 at times, Uru, which was a character on Star Trek, we get fertilizer, right? So definitely this notion of venom that Stan Lee taught in the latest release of Venom. So the Ura, fertilizer. And then once this is all reduced down, we just simply get H, as in the hydrogen H-bomb. So no need to light the fuse here today. We'll just delete it, and we'll come looking for other structures. So notice here, look at how Omar, or whatever character we want to talk about, does resemble Oscar the Grouch.